Biko no ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa m ọnụ biko no onwe m chọrọ ikwekwa na the worst thing that will happen to you now in this situation now bụ ka mmadụ wele ihe ọ na-adịghị sure ihe ọ na-amara anya wee confuse gị. Don't be distracted. Don't be distracted by all this news ha na-efegharị. How can a reasonable somebody put an old video Reverend Father Mbaka we megini we promote something, which means now they have this video waiting for this time to come. Ka we megini we deviate attention. Now he has getting as shifting attention, because now mbe very dark man na okubabiri skip ya. And when attention diverting, so many things started coming up. Okay, we're making divert here the attention of the masses from Ihanoku. There's a bone of contention on ground already. There's a bone of contention on ground already. Never fall for this thing. Mbaka juka we menka, Mbaka juka we si ogechinka, Mbaka juka we senka. Because by the time you get that video, ndanu abulugo the first people booze we megini we oba Mbaka onyoshi owa Mbaka afa niile na kwesoro ka akpọ mmadụ afa. Never you join these people, because na gini me ihe akwa bụkwa that the same common enemy ahụ. Onye na right like your Christianity, you have never for one day support your Christianity. Inesi na imatabagi ihe that no bụrụ the same Christianity anyị na-eme na Nigeria ka ndị ọcha na-eme. Nakata ma Christianity bolo odia inakuwelo gome inakuwo mena anake mewi head de mma. Go back there and do what you want to do, but don't deviate the attention of the people using false narrative. I call it false narrative, or the very bad. And I'm here to also call back the attention of ndi man and the mother hapugo ihane kuna. Sebana Mbaka bologe chiafa, Mbaka jiwe address yanka, Mbaka jiwe si anone. Mbaka have not in one way or the other tionu ni hane ku maka gene maka ndi na-ele ntu. Mbaka mepere ọnụ ya kwue maka ya. Achọwa ndị kpọrọ man of God the famous na Emene. They are the same people that called him that name. They are the same people that called the famous man of God in Enugu. They are the same people now, because now if you bet check be this if no gini the same fight hana and omena na buzo okwu ase na fight Christianity because be join no hand they say na hana no lo Father Mbaka ogo ka ha we me gini we kwatuwe another denomination making another denomination, which was the form of kita gina neighbor ke wa offense neighbor ga somebody be deceive where or what we fence or what we fence ahụ n'ụwa automatically be a yelugoye beg a yelugoye. Don't fall for these people. Don't allow them to distract you. Yotago, don't allow them to distract you. Father Mbaka remains and a legend in this body. Mbaka still remains number one. Mbaka still remains again number one, no matter what. He haguji maybe kadianambo. You being a Christian now, esena na Mbaka ekuteria, na onya akuteria, eva nde Zion ekuteria, Zion ekuteria. E join no collide ya kwatuwe another denomination. Ihe bugini sorry. Ekulo na Christianity kusie ike, ekulo na Christianity megini kusie ike. Don't give the common enemy chance. Ihe abugini the same people ahụ. The same people ahụ. Onwere ihe megide na Bible mgbe Jesus pụta. The Pharisees and Sadducees thinking that Jesus has forgotten the old story that happened in Genesis. They thought na not but he keep hammering it on them. Every time I follow her, you brood of vipers, you breed of serpent, you getting one. He every time I follow her, he was reminding them of that old story that happened in Genesis. na ha makwa na ha echefukwana na they are wearing priestly regalia, they are wearing camo in order to gain ka ha wee mingle with people. But I see you people, I'm not seeing people as somebody, I'm seeing you people as gain, as that common enemy from beginning. So mgbe ọbụla m fụrụ unu ọgụ na mgba, go and read your Bible. Mgbe ọbụla Jesus fụrụ ndị Pharisees and Sadducees that ihe ọ na-akpọba ha bụ you breed of vipers, you serpentine generation. To the extent that now Jesus healed somebody on Sabbath day, ya say why you heal mmadụ but Sabbath day, while the person not there. Okay, why can't you people do what is necessary for you people to do but na Sabbath day? Don't let anybody confuse you. A time get to a time where Jesus so piasukataha. How would you say this man? Why are you always insulting or where's again? You are like your father, the devil. He is a murderer. He is getting an originator of life from beginning. So that kahamakwana nyangwa. So with the way ndano say bugali ukwa na that I know you people. I know gini you people, all the same people are, all the same old story are. The same old story. Nobody asked you, nobody begged you. Ibulogo, goody bata, gwada, kiheme. At the end of the day, you did not get that thing you wanted. You return back to your original state. Kita no na there's a bone of contention on ground na. If you know put video. Unebupute video man unu choi promote propaganda no na. Unebupute old video binye onye ozo we share, because that is my problem with you people. That is my problem with you people. Before unebido block one or me is where your followers have that attack bam. Unu man the bone of contention between me and you people. Mgboku anu abido mgboku abido since una kpole Fada Mbaka. I was hammering it on you people. Si unu hapukwa no nwoke anu nwaka, hapukwa na ihe anu nwaka. Na ya kita anu all of you unu niile so we kpa nkata niile. Unu niile meli ihe anaziri unu. Unu niile meli ha anaziri unu. All you people now are facing it. Kita kunu welu Fada Mbaka we deviate attention on them mad. It's not gonna work. We know you people. You people are still getting that the same common enemy. You as a Christian, stand on your ground, stand on your faith. Kushie ike wampologo, kuchie ike kwechire ebe ahụ ịnọ. Ikwekwa na. Igine ikwekwa na, because no gine all that the same people, all that same old story ahụ, that same old serpent ahụ for na Genesis. Oh, young will become Guinea, the dragon na Revelation. The serpent non a Genesis. Oh, young will that the same dragon non a Revelation. So in between the line, if you go see from Genesis all the serpent, Hapatakwa read his own breed, Jesus Patakwa in the midst of those people, or when I hamakwa and he said, I know you people. I have looked these people and I know that you people are not ordinary human beings. Uno begin breed of vipers. Then in a Revelation, the same old dragon where Patakwa woman and the child. We are watching you people very closely. So what on you are confused. So as a Christian, stand your ground. Mbaka neku Evangelist Ebuka Obi. If there is any, remove your mouth from there. Remove your mouth again from there. Because they are man of God, not a man of okeke, not a man of Arobinago, not even their children, not even their father's children. They are man before of God. So you na mareboku si because you want to share your opinion. I dodge you, I applaud you again. Kulofu ebe. Kuseke mwakwa na nda amonga bugin. That the same common enemy ah. Ebe hapo. They do not belong anywhere. They are not speaking with one voice. Oh hanchani now, Pharisees and Sadducees. Oh hamatiha. So actually we hear men we use this illustration. Go and read your Bible from Genesis. The bone of contention, because all that the same people can happen in our midst today. According to on the Bible.